Okay, so here also rationalizing the denominator concept only, but the question, everyone listen, how the question is going to be is, if, okay, 3 plus root 7 divided by 3 minus root 7 equals a plus b root 7, okay, find the value of a and b. This is the another concept comes in this rationalizing the denominator. Okay. So look same only, na?
It doesn't seem.
Actually, they didn't tell ma the question. They didn't tell like, okay, rationalizing the denominator will not be your heading. That is the biggest problem. If they are telling like rationalize the denominator is the heading means you all will do. Easily you will do. But in exam, if it comes like that, we don't understand which chapter it is. That is the first problem. Because everything is mixed up and asking. Na, so that time you need to identify this is rationalizing the denominator. I need to use that concept. So so we can take LHS here also. What is our LHS? 3 plus root 7 divided by 3 minus root 7. Can anyone tell how to rationalize this denominator?
Ma'am, 3 plus root 7.
Root 7 down, and it should be up as well.
And up also.
Correct. Very good. Okay. So can anyone tell I need to multiply? Here also in the numerator also I have 3 plus root 7 now. So opposite of
Ma'am, I think, can you cancel?
See, my question is very simple. I am multiplying for rationalizing now. And then if I cancel, then what is the point of doing it? Again, I will get the same question.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. So my question, wait. My question, I am asking one question. Listen, everyone. Here I have 3 plus root 7, right? In the numerator. For denominator, I wrote 3 minus root 7. So opposite I have written. So should I need to multiply with 3 minus root 7 divided by 3 minus root 7? Because I have here 1 3 plus root 7. I need to do or not?
Yes, ma'am.
You should not do. Okay. No, because in the exam hall, this question will come in your mind. That's why I already told many of them have done like that. So no, because our concept is rationalizing the denominator, not numerator and all. Numerator, whatever it is, forget about it. Okay. So you are not going to do that. You are only going to rationalize the denominator. So why we are doing our concept is a minus b is there means I need to multiply with a plus b. This is the only thing in the new denominator. I have a minus b. I need to multiply with a plus b. This is the only thing to be in your mind. Okay. Now the question now changed to what? Here I have 3 plus root 7. Here also I have 3 plus root 7. So it will become 3 plus root 7 whole squared. Can I write like that? Because a into a is a squared, you know, right? So a plus b into a plus b is a plus b whole squared, you know. So that only I have written. Divided by, in the denominator, I have what? A squared, which is 3 squared minus root 7, the whole squared. Clear? So now, what is a plus b whole squared? A squared plus 2 into a into b plus b squared, root 7 the whole square, divided by a squared. 3 squared is 9 minus root 7 whole squared is 7. So that is equal to 3 squared 9 plus 2 into 3, 6 root 7 plus root 7 the whole squared, 7, divided by 9 minus 7, 2. So that is equal to, I have 9 and 7. Right? I can't add 9 plus 6 root 7, but I can add 9 plus 7. 9 plus 7 is 16. Yes. 16 plus 6 root 7 divided by 2. So this denominator 2 is common for 16 as well as 6 root 7. So I can change it as 16 divided by 2 plus 6 root 7 divided by 2. Okay. So 16 divided by 2 is what? 8. Plus 6 by 2 is what? 3. So 3 root 7. Till this understood? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
What is our question actually? I need to find A and B. That is our question, right? Now, so what is our A? A is my constant term. right? And B is coming along with root 7. So what is my A? My A is 8. And what is my B? 3.
3.
Finish now? We found enough. That's it.
Yes, ma'am.
So if you have done, you will get 3 mark. Okay? Write it down.
So if both the root and the numerator, we have to multiply them and then use the this formula, right?
1 by root 7. So only one number means you need to multiply 1 by root 7. To rationalize that, you need to multiply that same number with numerator and denominator. So 1 into root 7 becomes root 7. Root 7 into root 7 becomes 7. So our answer is root 7 divided by 7. That's it. The next question, you have 1 by root 7 minus root 6. So since I have root 7 minus root 6, I need to multiply numerator and denominator with the second number sign change. Okay, so that means it will be root 7 plus root 6. You need to multiply numerator and denominator with that. So 1 into root 7 plus root 6 is root 7 plus root 6 divided by, here you will get root 7 the whole squared minus root 6 the whole squared. That is equal to root 7 plus root 6 divided by 7 minus 6. Root 7 whole squared is 7. 7 minus 6, that is 1. So that is final answer is root 7 plus root 6.
6 answer 16.
Wrong. Corrected. Root 6. Because they will give like that only. Root 7 plus root 6. Now next question is 1 by root 5 plus root 2. So you need to multiply numerator and denominator with root 5 minus root 2. So that is equal to root 5 minus root 2 divided by root 5 into root 5, that is 5. 5 minus root 2 into root 2, that is 2. 5 minus 2. So that is root 5 minus root 2 divided by 5 minus 2 is 3. Okay, so this is our answer. Next one, 1 by root 7 minus 2. Since I have, in the second number, I have negative.
Ma'am, I'm done all questions.
Root 7 plus 2. I need to multiply numerator and denominator with root 7 plus 2. 1 into root 7 plus 2 is root 7 plus 2 divided by root 7 into root 7 is root 7 whole squared minus 2 square. That is equal to root 7 plus 2 divided by root 7 whole squared 7 minus 2 squared is 4. So that is equal to root 7 plus 2 divided by 7 minus 4 is 3. This is the answer. Okay, find 1 by root 7 minus root 6 plus 1 by root 7 plus root 6 no, equal to a root 7 plus b root 6. So multiply numerator and denominator with the root 7 plus root 6. Okay, plus 1 by root 7 plus root 6 into here also root 7 minus root 6. Here plus no, so minus. Here also root 7 minus root 6. Okay. Now that is equal to numerator we have root 7 plus root 6 divided by root 7 whole squared minus root 6 whole squared. Okay, if you have doubt, you please write all the steps a squared minus b squared. So you will not make mistake. Similarly, here also root 7 minus root 6 divided by root 7 whole squared minus root 6 whole squared. Right? Okay, now we have root 7 whole squared is what? 7. 7 minus 6, 1. So in the denominator, we have 1 only. So no need to write. Now, numerator, I have root 7 plus root 6 plus root 7 minus root 6. Alright. Root 7 plus root 7. It is equal to a plus a only. Okay. What is a plus a? 2a. Na?
Oh, so root
Add
7
the-
square.
Yes, you will add the coefficient like a plus a, like that, like terms we will add. Now, same concept only we will use here. So, root 7 plus root 7 is 2 root 7. Similarly, root 6 minus root 6 is what? 0. So, that means plus root 0 root 6. So, no need to write. Okay. So, what is our answer? A equal to 2, B equal to 0. That's it.
Okay.
Okay, so you already studied a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to what? A raised to m plus n. That and all you know, right? So same thing here we are going to do. If it is root 2, so what does it mean is like, we know 2 squared means 2 squared. 2 into 2 is 2 squared. Same like that, root 2 means 2 raised to 1 by 2. Okay, so that is root a equal to a raised to 1 by 2. Okay, cube root of a means what? A raised to 1 by 3. Yes, correct. So if the question is a raised to 1 by 2 into a raised to 1 by 3 means a raised to m plus n, right? So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. So 1 by 3. Okay, so that is equal to LCM because these both are fraction, right? So a raised to here 3 into 2, 6, 3 plus 2, 5. So 5 by 6. Clear? So a raised to 5 by 6 will be our answer. Like that we are going to do. This is the next topic. Okay? Write it down. Like that many exponents formula will come. Not only this, if it is a raised to m, the whole square means what? A raised to m whole raised to n is a raised to m into n. Okay, then if it is a raised to m divided by a raised to n.
Minus it.
A raised to m minus n. So this all concept we are going to do in the root. That's it. Okay?
Topic name?
Exponents, you write. Rationalization, sorry. Exponents of irrational numbers. Like that, right? Irrational
numbers.
Rationalizing, no.
Ma'am, what's the topic's name?
There is no particular topic name they have given. You can write like exponents of irrational numbers.
Okay.
Okay,
Exponents
so
of irrational numbers.
so if it is a raised to m by n, okay, you can write like nth root of a whole raised to m. Nth root of a whole raised to m. So we can write like nth root of a raised to m. Okay. So if it is 64 raised to 1 by 2. Okay. So what is the meaning?
Ma'am, not done, ma'am. Can you go back once again?
Okay, listen. 64 raised to 1 by 2 means it is root 64. That is the meaning. Okay, so what is root 64? Like that you can think. Or you can, 8 8s are 64, right? So answer will be 8. Like that you can write. Or you can do like, what is 64? 64 is 8 squared, right? So 8 squared raised to 1 by 2. Okay, so 8 squared raised to 1 by 2 means what? 8 raised to 2 into 1 by 2. M whole raised to n. So m into 1 by n. So 2 into 1 by 2. 2 to cancel. So it is 8 raised to 1. So we get 8. Like that also you can do. Okay, next one. 32 raised to 1 by 5. Because this is easy root we can do. But if it comes like that, how will you do? That's why I'm telling this formula also. So 32 do prime factorization. So if you do prime factorization, you will get 2 raised to 5. 2 raised to 5, the whole raised to 1 by 5. So that is 2 raised to 5 into 1 by 5. 5 cancel. You will get 2 raised to 1. That is equal to 2. Okay, now if it is...
You have to find a square for each number if possible.
Not only square, ma, it is not, we are not doing only square, na. So what they are giving, accordingly you need to do. So here 125, if you do prime factorization with the 5, you will get what? 2 5s are 10, 25, 5 5s are 25, 5, 5. So you will get 5 raised to 3. That is 125 raised to 1 by 3. So 5 raised to 3 into 1 by 3. So that is equal to 5 raised to 1 equal to 5. Clear? So this is how this concept we are going to do.